Howdy guys, in today's video with VinylCut, we'll be looking at the color layers mode in the trace image option or tool. Let's have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover and we upload videos daily, so keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, we head back in the program here. Just a reminder, this is a mini series on the trace image feature. So we won't be covering everything in this video. We've covered quite a bit already, so I'll leave in the description some links to some previous videos. Otherwise, if you to locate the trace image tool, it's obviously on your top toolbar, is that little landscape one with a vector point shape on it. After you've selected it, then it will pop up this image trace or trace image properties. Then we'll choose the image. In my case, I'll use the monkey again. Now from the mode over here, we'll be selecting color layers, and then we'll be looking at this max colors and our little color palette here. So we won't really be looking at the high pass filter or the resampling, as it's not necessary here. So now the max colors, this will basically represent the amount of colors in this shape. So if we had to have a basic count, now white, it doesn't render. It renders it as transparent as a background. So if we leave that out, then let's say, let's count it because it does add it, but it doesn't render it. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I would say maybe another variation here. So say 7 just to be safe. So let's increase the max colors here to 7. Now on our palette we can see we've got the 7 and it will only render 6, even though we've got 7 here, because like I said, the white or the background, it does not render. So then and a note, if you want to isolate any layers, so let's say you don't want to render the black outlines, you can always just click on this layer, then it'll bring a little line through it, then it will exclude it from the render. But we will not be doing that. So if we go update preview, now you can always adjust the show source image, and this will isolate kind of which shapes will be rendered. It's a little bit tricky to understand, but if you look nicely, you'll see, okay, these shapes are highlighted in a certain color, outline, and so forth. Otherwise, if we click OK here and just have a look at it, now what will happen is this thing will render it into layers. So we can see here on our right, it has turned it into a group. Let's just rise this a bit. So if we open a group, now in here we can see we've got our layers. So we've got all the way from 1 to 6. So like I said, number 7, it doesn't render as it is the white. As you can see here also, you can see right through the white. Now over here you can start isolating layers if you want. So you can see here's our black frame. So if we just move that to the side. Okay, sorry, let me ungroup this. Object, ungroup. Now you can actually move individual color layers around. So if we want to isolate certain ones, which it's it's a handy tool. So if you want to render your graphics in layers and then afterwards stick them over each other to get the final result, then we'll be using the color layers mode under the trace image options. Otherwise, if we just head to our website here quick, so if you guys navigate here to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more videos like it. As you can see, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also we have a search option if you want to isolate your search. We also, if you don't find what you're looking for, you can go here, request the training video, and then we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.